my lazy daily makeup. Whatever, it's easier and closer. I'm going to just put a little bit of pencil that from my country and this company that I'm about to do business with, Carbon Black, and I'm just going to do under my lash line. I have eyelash extension because I'm very hyperactive personality person that I have no time with a lot of things. I need a concealer. I'm going to use actually my light eye primer mixed with eye cream that is already about to finish. Eye Bright Intensive, and then with this I'm just going to mix it a little bit just to give a little highlight. And it has anti-aging properties also. And when you do concealer, you don't want to go outer corner much because all the wrinkles mostly there. I haven't filled my extension. It's kind of empty around. I'm going to use my new mascara coming soon. Watch us. And we will give some gift to our followers. I have no lashes right here. Oh my god. And I didn't know. I'm Turkish, and our first Prime Minister, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, give us Children Youth Day, and he's the only one actually did it for kids. I'm so proud of and to be one of his kids, and he was, I think, one of the top 100 men in the world. I wish we had many presidents, prime ministers just like him, and world be a better place and peace. And I wish you the peace and love. Please subscribe me and follow me. I'm gonna show you something else. Love you guys. Okay, I just got a little heart. And I never done anything like that before, okay? And I'm just gonna take this open-minded, okay? I'm gonna put the open-minded. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. This is open-minded. Right next to a little bit now. I think open-minded still more. Okay, this is open-minded. This is optimistic. This is impulsive. Goddess. Oh, goddess. It's dark. It's like actually more blood, but this is the color.
You can just go over it a little bit.
Oh my god.
It looks cute.
Can you see it? God damn. Now I'm going to put my country flag, crescent and star. Let me see if I'm able to do it, because I don't have it. This is, oh, I'm gonna try the crescent with this white primer, because I should have thought about that a little bit more.
I hope it works. Oh my god, please.
I'll try to. No.
Oh my god.
Actually, I couldn't succeed to make a crescent star because I don't have an Korean. I think I need to have a good stencil. But anyway, because I don't live in Turkey, but doesn't mean that I can celebrate. And the time difference, we just make. I want to make really our flag on my face, but I couldn't do it. It's a failure. But he didn't fail on us. I failed maybe, but he didn't fail on us. He's our prime minister, first prime minister, and first of all, Turkey was one of the losing side, and he made us Turkey back again, and our flag, red flag that I wanted to make it with the crescent and star on it. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk dedicated April 23rd to children of Turkey to recognize children are the future of the nation.